All right.
Yeah. My own contribution is that well, my name is Ebuka. I'm from Ikaland.
All right.
My own contribution is this Sharia law of a thing that is going to be implemented in Yorubaland. It's a done deal already.
Yeah.
Why I say it's a done deal already is because the Yoruba people themselves, the elite, they are all Muslim.
Yeah.
75% of Yoruba are Muslim.
Including their pastors.
In line with that, they already have the Emir, Sanusi, the Emir of Lagos. And all their governors and prominent members, they are all Muslim. So all those ones they are talking about, we don't want Sharia. Sharia must come to Yorubaland. Yoruba love Sharia, and they must get Sharia. That person that is talking, that young man you are playing the video, he's not a Fulani or Hausa man. He's a Yoruba guy. He says his mother is a Fulani, but he like his mother's people.
Yeah.
But him is a Yoruba man, a Yoruba clan, a Yoruba community that was cut into northern part of Nigeria, like maybe from Kogi or Benue.
He's from Kogi. He's from Kogi State.
Okay. They have a lot of Yoruba community that was cut into Kogi, just like Igbo community that was cut into Kogi and Lower Bedu and Lower. That's how they have Yoruba. Like Kwara State is part of the north, central north or whatever they call it. So Sharia must come to Yoruba land. And Sharia is going to take over Nigeria because first of all, Nigeria is a member of OIC. We should know that. Buhari spent $10 billion in putting Nigeria as a member of OIC. Everywhere you go as a Nigerian, people will first thing they tell you, they will greet you, Assalamu alaikum. You say no, I'm not a Muslim. No, Nigeria is a Muslim country. Official, well recognized, Nigeria is a Muslim nation. Let us not deceive ourselves. Secondly, thank you very much for playing Nnamdi Kanu video. Or everything that Nnamdi Kanu stands for. And everything that Nnamdi Kanu has preached has come to pass. After the independence of Nigeria, a Muslim Fulani man said that this new nation shall be, must be, will be our forefather estate. What would they do? They will make sure they will use the middle belt as a willing tool, and the South will never control that destiny. Islam will take over Nigeria. Come to a place like Agbo, Ikaland. We are alien to Islam. But today, the greatest mosque is today built in Ababu, a place called Ababu. To the extent, these Fulani people, they came to Ababu and they came with huge money. How did they come? They start buying orange tree, mango tree, pawpaw tree. They came and start buying all the trees, all the fruit in Ababu village. From there, they go and lure to the Obi of Ababu and they bought that man over today. Obi is a Muslim. This is how they come. They plan ahead of you. They come with money, with everything. So when they buy your leader, they already bought the people. Because in Nigeria, in Africa, we believe that when the king talk, when the leader come together and talk, they speak for the people, and the people have no choice. So all those ones they are talking, we are not Sharia. The governor is a Muslim. All of them, but that's why they have Muslim tickets. And that is why they are fighting very hard to Islamize the southeast part of Nigeria, the Igbo tribe, because they are the only stubborn people that will be very hard to conquer. Because of our religion, our Omen and Yonodinani. We are alien to Muslim religion. But unfortunately, it's too late. And that is why Nnamdi Kanu is still in the prison. Not because of the give us Biafra and this. Because that man spoke the truth. He opened a lot of people's eyes that this is what is coming. This is what is coming. Our people, we get yeah. It's too late.
You can only pursue the black goat when the sun is still up.
Yes, he told us. But what is happening today? They came with Roga. Roga not the work again. Now they come with Ministry of Agriculture or whatever they call it. It's not working. Even Tinubu himself is a Muslim. All of them are Muslim. All the whole governor you are seeing in the southeast. They bought all of them all over. Forget about saying they are not wearing Muslim shirts. They are still wearing their name. But in the other side, they are Muslim. Because that's why before they talk to governor, they must first go to the Sultan of Sokoto and go and put that white turban on their head. That is when they initiate them into Islam. Forget about the dress, they are wearing coat and tie. And they are going to church and calling Jesus. In them, they are all Muslim. If Sharia come to Igbo State today now, they will pass it. If Sharia come to Anambra or Ebonyi, they will pass it. The governors, they are all Muslim. They are deceiving the people. Nigeria is an Islamic country. Officially, we should know that. Thank you, my brother. That's what I want to contribute.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. I really appreciate that from you. Before we turn to the screen, let us receive from other callers.
It's not about ransom. They just want to pass a message. We can come in. We can do what we need to do. And there are some hardliners in this government that are sponsoring this kind of narratives. They just want to show that they can Islamize this country. They think about Taliban, they think about the Mujahideens, and they want to replicate it in this country. And they don't care what happened. They simply don't care. As long as at the end of the day, there's Sharia, and there is whatever thing they have in their head, they want to achieve. So these people that are sending messages are sponsored by Nigerians. You remember this Boko Haram issue started since 2012. Yeah. And I was in the military intelligence that time. We arrested those people. It is my organization that actually conducts interrogation and interview. They mention names. I can't come on air and start mentioning names of people that are presently in government now that I know. Presently in government. That the boys that we arrested mentioned. Some of them are governors now. Some of them are in the Senate. Some of them are in Asu Rock. The intention is to Islamize Nigeria and practice Sharia. And it doesn't matter if some people die. It doesn't matter if you're embarrassed. It doesn't matter if our economy has degenerated. Look at the interest rate. Look at the inflation rate. Look at the debt profile of Nigeria. They don't care. As long as at the end, Quran is at the sea. So some people in this country have this mindset. And we must tell the truth. If you tell the truth, you die. If you don't tell it, you die. Some people have this mindset to Islamize the nation. And they are in the government. And people know them. The DSS know them. The NIA know them. The DIA knows them. You can't succeed without an inside person. And this attack you saw has insiders collaboration.